Can OdoBan no rinse floor cleaner remove bacteria from my floors? I tested it. Let's find out. A friend of mine has pets in her home and she likes to use the OdoBan floor cleaner to clean her floors. She likes OdoBan floor cleaner because it's pet safe. Actually says right here it's good for homes with pets. But she wants to know, can it remove bacteria? So that's what I'm going to test today. In order to see if the OdoBan floor cleaner can remove bacteria, what I'm going to do is take a Petri dish just like this guy here and label it A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab my floor. I'll probably do 2 different spots my kitchen floor and 2 different spots my bathroom floor. Then I'm going to clean my floors according to the directions on the OdoBan. And we're going to read this packaging in just a minute too to see if they even make claims to be able to remove bacteria. Then when the area is dry, I'll swab again and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. So we're going to be able to see how much bacteria is on my floor before and after cleaning with the OdoBan floor cleaner. So let's read about this cleaner. So this is the OdoBan No Rinse Floor Cleaner in Splasho Citrus Scent. On the front, it says it's a multi-surface cleaner, cleans, deodorizes, maintains shine, concentrated low streak formula. On the top here, it shows a picture that it's used for hard floors and for homes with pets. On the back, it says there's no rinsing required, can be used as a daily cleaner, economical concentrate, not just for floors, and cleans countertops, sinks, glass, low streak formula again. Nowhere on the label am I seeing anywhere where they make any claims to be able to remove bacteria. So let's just keep that in mind. This product just says it's to clean. It doesn't make any claims to disinfect or sanitize. But I'm going to test it because my friend asked me to. It also says over here, safe for use in hard floor cleaning machines. That's interesting. All right, let's read the directions for use so I know how I'm using it. Used on ceramic, glazed, and porcelain tile, engineered in luxury vinyl plank, laminate vinyl, as well as sealed surfaces such as wood, concrete, marble, granite, and other natural stone. Okay, so I have laminate floor in my kitchen, and I have vinyl in my bathroom. How to mix it? It does have 3 different ratios, one for daily use, light use, and heavy duty. Ooh, I'll probably go right in the middle. Let's do light duty, so 3 ounces per gallon of water. Apply using a mop and bucket, automatic scrubber, or microfiber spray mop. In the mopping applications, it says dilute product as directed, then mop with a clean, lint-free damp cloth. Reapply as needed for difficult soil or increase the dilution up to 8 ounces per gallon for extreme cleaning. That's crazy. So I will use a mop head that is brand new, so I'm not certain which mop I'm going to use yet, whether I use my Joy Moop, my O-Cedar, or one of the 2 whole metlers that I have. Whichever one I have that has a brand new mop pad, I will use that one. So let's see how well OdoBan No Rinse Floor Cleaner removes bacteria from my floors, even though they don't make any claims to be able to do so. Now for some results. Kitchen floor sample 1. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. There's still some stuff hanging around there, but there is a decrease. Kitchen floor sample number 2. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria. In the after section, there's a big visible decrease in bacteria. There's just about half a dozen tiny colonies there. Bathroom floor sample number 1. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria. And in the after section, we can see a big visible decrease in bacteria. There's only about half a dozen small bacterial colonies. The bathroom floor sample number 2. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section, there's just 4 tiny bacterial colonies. So overall, the OdoBan No Rinse Neutral pH Floor Cleaner did a great job at decreasing the bacteria on my floor, even though it makes no claims to be able to do so. Now, when I used it, remember I used the middle dilution, which was light duty, 3 ounces per a gallon of water. I did find that to be a bit sudsy for what I like when cleaning a floor. So for me, I think I'm going to just continue using the daily use, which was 1 ounce per gallon of water when I wash my floor, unless it's super dirty and I need extra soap power. Now, I'm sure something that's on everybody's mind here is that it advertises no rinsing and a low streak formula. How did that go? So yeah, I didn't notice any streaking at all while I was using it. I did see a collection of suds when I was mopping it. Once it was dry though, that was gone. I didn't notice any streaking on my floor. I do have a dark brown laminate floor in my kitchen and a lighter colored vinyl in my bathroom. I didn't notice any streaking. Remember when I did the Shark steam and spin mop? You could actually see the streak marks all around my home. I didn't see any when I used this product. Now every floor is different. Your level of dirt on your floor is going to be different, and also how much buildup you have on your floor from other products could impact streaking. But for me, when I use this, I found that the light use was a little too sudsy, but it didn't streak. I personally liked the daily use dilution for using it to clean my floors. Now, as for the scent of the product, they call it Splash O Citrus. That's the scent that I got. And even though I'm still battling quite a bit of a sinus thing going on here, I got some crazy sinus pressure and post-nasal drip still. I just can't seem to kick it. I was able to smell the citrus scent. It's a pleasant scent. It's strong when you just smell it from the bottle. When I diluted it for my mopping, I didn't notice it too much, but it does have a light citrus pleasant scent. One thing that I really like about this is that it says it's safe for use in hard floor cleaning machines. So that means it's safe to go into like a Bissell Crosswave or my U-Want D100. And that I think is fantastic because I do like using OdoBan, but oftentimes I'm using one of those machines to clean my floors. Really not a big fan of hand mopping, especially with my shoulder injury. So that's really good to know. So I did try it in my U-Want D100 and I just diluted it with the ratio of the 1 ounce to a gallon, and it worked fine inside that machine. So once again, OdoBan makes a product that I really like and will use over and over again, and most likely will purchase over and over again. If you watch my channel, then you know when I test a product, I do my best to use it up whether I like it or not, just because I don't want to waste a whole bottle of it. I'm purchasing these products, I'm just going to use them. But I think this is going to be one of those products that I buy again and again. Now, this 1 gallon I think is going to last me a very long time, but I will probably purchase this one again once I run out. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor, put it in the comments section. I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.